Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Infinix in India, the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. So Infinix had launched the Hot S3 few months back, and now they're back with yet another device in the Hot series, the Hot 6 Pro, and we'll be doing the unboxing of this device, and we'll also show you the specifications, the features offered by the device. We'll also be showing the software features and also the camera samples. So this is the box pack of the Infinix Hot 6 Pro, and it comes in 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. That's the storage variant available. So on the back side of the box you can see the specifications mentioned. It has 18:9 aspect ratio with 5.99 inch screen size, dual camera setup, Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 quad core chipset, 4000 mAh capacity battery, 4G LTE, Face ID is included, and the pricing mentioned is 899, but the MOP is 799. That's a pretty good pricing for this device. So this will be sold at a price of 799 in India. So we'll just start the unboxing of the device. We'll also show you the features offered. So this device comes in 4 colors. We have the sandstone black variant. It also comes in gold, blue and red variants as well. So you can see the red variant on the box package. So although we have the black variant. So opening up the box, you can see the Infinix Hot 6 Pro on the top. Again, the specifications are mentioned. Let's just take this out. So this is the device. So this comes with a triple slot. That means you have 2 SIM card slots and an SD card slot separately. So that's quite good. And we have the volume keys on the right side. The power button is also on the right side. We have the dual camera. It's a 13 megapixel rear camera, f-stop 2.0 aperture, again a secondary 2 megapixel camera, dual LED flash is also included, and at the bottom panel you have the micro USB charging slot and the 3.5mm audio jack along with the speaker unit, and up top there are no openings or slots. On the left side we have the SIM tray, which is again, as I said before, it's a triple slot. Now let's just peel off the sticker and we'll just boot this device, and in the meantime we'll see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see it comes with a good case. So this is the TPU case included, which is quite good for a budget offering. Then we have the standard charger included. So let's just take this out. So the charger is rated at 5 volt 1.2 ampere in India. Now we also have a tangle free cable included. That's quite good. The material quality looks pretty good, and that's the cable included with this device. We also get a SIM ejector pin, and manuals and information guide is included. Along with that you also get a screen guard available in the box pack. So that's the box package. So overall a quite good package offered by the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. So that's the Infinix Hot 6 Pro, and we have a 5.99 inch HD plus resolution display. It has 2.5D glass included. That's quite good, and there is also NEG glass protection included. So even though it's a budget segment, Infinix has taken care of the screen protection. It has NEG glass protection and 83% of screen to body ratio, 500 nits of brightness, and it's a 720 by 1440 display. So overall the display quality looks good even though it's a budget segment. And we have the XOS 3.2 version based on Android Oreo. So let's just have a look at the features offered here. So you can see that it comes with quite a good UI. We have seen this XOS on all the Infinix smartphones, and let's open the settings panel and see what all it offers. You can see here it's a clean and clutter free UI, and it also comes with additional actions and gestures like double tap to wake, 3-finger screenshot, and few other options as well. And you also get the theme support. You can customize by downloading additional themes, and this device also comes with a face unlock functionality. So even in the budget segment you get face unlock. That's something really good. So that's the UI of the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. Now let's talk about the other aspects. So first let's have a look at the camera UI. So this device comes with a dual camera setup. It's a 13 megapixel camera along with a secondary 2 megapixel camera, f-stop 2.0 aperture, and the camera UI feels quite good. You can see that there is beauty mode, portrait mode included, and we also get a video recording, which we'll just see the settings here. So video recording quality is at a 1080p resolution. That's quite good for a budget segment. So that's the video quality. Then this also comes with a 5 megapixel selfie camera with f-stop 2.0 aperture. So here are some of the samples we taken with the Infinix Hot 6 Pro after unboxing the device. We'll be talking in depth about the camera when we review the device. Another highlight of the device is the massive 4000 mAh capacity battery. So if you're a person who loves watching a lot of movies, then this device is perfectly suited because it comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery and large 5.99 inch display, and this is at a budget segment. So those are some of the highlights of the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. Now this device comes with VoLTE support and VILT support. So both the VoLTE and VILT is supported for Jio SIM cards, and you can also see that this device comes with a dedicated SD card slot. So you can, even if you use two SIM cards, you don't have to compromise with the SD card slot. This device has 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. So let's just have a look at the storage offered. So we get to the settings. Storage, you can see that 32GB storage is there, out of which 8.27GB is used up. That means 23.22GB is available for the user in the force boot, and you can see that 1GB RAM is available out of the 3GB, so in the first boot. So this is the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. So that's the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. Overall looks good for the pricing it is being offered, and this is price 799 in India. So this was the unboxing and first impressions of the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. So overall we feel this is definitely a good device, especially the pricing and features, and should give you good value for money as well. So we'll be coming up with the detailed review of this device, so stay tuned for that. In the detailed review we'll be posting about the camera, the gaming performance, and in-depth aspect of this device. That's it for the unboxing video and first impressions of the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.